This weekend it was Father's Day, but despite that we actually got some farm work done, witnessed a murder, and saw our first Joey on the trail cam. He's very cute. We've got an electric chainsaw, and some people have commented that it's a bit less than masculine. It's not. It's a chainsaw for a modern, environmentally aware man, and this weekend I worked out how to replace the chain on it.
Oh, they're not larvae, they're actually white ants. Oh, fucking cool. I'm gonna run out of electricity. No? Maybe cockroach?
We had a great weekend. It was great to see our families, and awesome I got to teach Luke how to ride a bike. Our tractor has one less problem now. It has a 4-in-1 bucket system that opens to grab things, and that wasn't working. It ended up being a trivially easy fix when Andrew pulled the electrical connections and reseated them. As it turns out, it was just a dirty electrical terminal. As well as Sifton, our farm has loads of tea trees on it, the kind we've been buying for our Manuka honey production. So this weekend, Kylie and Maddie started propagating clippings from them so we don't have to buy so many. as well as Sifton, our John Farnham.